Good morning. Today is day number 2 here in Kefaliona, and I am going on the Agostoli walk. So it's basically here from Lassi into Agostoli and then back. Altogether it's about 4 hours walk. Look at the view. It's incredible. And tonight we're going to go Trent's Bar. Yeah, we're going to have a time, and tomorrow I'll go home. So we're only here for like 3 days, but taking the most of what we've got. This is the start of the Agostoli walk. You basically come, turn right at the dolphin shop, and then you're going to go right down here. And this is the start of the walk, that will take you all the way into Agostoli. Don't get me wrong, there are a few confusion signs that goes to Agostoli. Agostoli, there's 2 ways to it, there's a lot of different ways, but the sites are amazing. So. Look at them views. Incredible. So before we continue any further, go on my Instagram, UKV, follow it, and go on Snapchat, JamesEdwards88. Add it. Okay then. Look at that beach, isn't that just gorgeous? Something that. Just in case some of you's confused about that sign back there going to Agostoli. Basically there is 2 ways on this Agostoli/finale walk, whatever you want to call it. So you can go right to see the Italian memorial, which we're going to do on the way back, or you can take the longer way past the lighthouse all the way along the coast. This is the more breezy way, more better way, but you can do the other way as well, so it's one of them. Look at this other beach. That's the thing with this walk, you'll find like 1,000 beaches on your way, and it's hard not to just stop and jump in. That's the great thing about Kefaliona, the weather's nice, the beaches, it's a great place to come. Like, I'm only here for 3 days because I have literally nothing to do, so I'm here, random choice of my life, but I'm loving it. Alright, I'm loving it. You know what I mean? It's one of them. Let's go. By the way, whoever decides to become my girlfriend, you can bet that we are going somewhere every weekend. We're going places like this, like every single day. Do you know what I mean? Like, we're not going to work. Joking, we are. I'm going to become a pilot, and then travel for a bit, and then we'll travel even more, and then after that we'll travel again, and it'll just be like that. Here we go, we've reached our first stop on this walk, the lighthouse / Lassi or Agostoli, whatever you want to count it. Look at it though, look at the scenery it involves. That's another beautiful thing about this place. Everyone's like dead friendly, and they'll always say morning to you and ask you how you are and all that. It's great. Love it. So we are approaching the capital of Kefaliona now, which is Agostoli. It is amazing. The food is great. The harbour is beautiful. Like, look at the water. Yet again, I go on about the water. That's because the water is so fucking amazing. So this is the harbour at Kefaliona. As soon as we get around the other side over there, there will be a lot more boats. So we've got that one. I've got them over there. They're not really important. You can do a lot of touristy things here, because us tourists basically support Greece financially, because you probably know they're not the best strong going country at the moment, but us tourists support them. It's lovely. It's 29 degrees, I think. I don't know, I've checked in a while. Barely been on my phone. But yeah. Whoa, it's hot. This is the main harbour where all the boats dock, and around 5 PM later today they'll all start coming back from their daily boat trips. Say here we have their boat trip. So about 5 PM they'll all start coming back. The base club, bass club, I don't know how to freaking say it if you ever want to go in there. Now for you who have actually watched my old Kefaliona like cinematic travel video, I used this as a little thing. That's still there from like 3 years ago, that's cool.